Travel back in time with a trip inside the Iowa's News Now vault.
It was an unusual accident because it was not a fatal accident. Very few car-train collisions see the driver of the car walk away. But today, Michael Laveley was unhurt after his car was shoved 25 feet by a train onto this railroad trestle over the Cedar River.
I got up to the intersection and the train, it was just right there, and it just grabbed onto the side of the car and pushed me down to there.
Were you hurt at all?
No, not a scratch. I just jumped out of the car. It was fine.
There were some tense moments for Laveley's mother until she was told her son was unhurt. Laveley was home for the weekend from the University of Northern Iowa in Cedar Falls. He says he did not hear the whistle as the train approached the unmarked crossing. Later, a crane was called in to remove the totally destroyed vehicle from the trestle over the river. Colleen Riley, 2 Action News, Cedar Rapids.